Hey guys, we received this Red Start Tech Sweatproof wireless earbuds headphones for running and test and try. So this one comes in a really nice gift box. So let me just open everything and show it to you. So here you can see a really nice box, charging cable and other accessories, manual and stuff. So this charging cable is a USB-C cable and the box itself, like the case, is a charging case. So you can charge the case and it will just charge on its own. So very nice, elegant charging case. So these are the things, and you will see a protective covering here. You have to remove this so that it can get charged. So they are the wireless charger and also have a noise cancellation, multifunction buttons with the easy pairing, sweat-proof, good battery life, and you can put a dual mode, means you can listen to the music and your games as well. So here, the earbuds start charging, and this is the charging cable. So USB-C to USB. So I'm just putting in the USB-C cable here and then goes for the USB so that it will get charged. So after charging, let me just show this to you. Then so these are the Bluetooth headphones. So let me just attach it to the Bluetooth. So once I open this, you will see if not come, just take out one earbud and put it in your ears so that it will start recognizing it. So as soon as I put it in my ears, it will start recognizing this, and you can see that it comes up. So I will just attract, and it's just connected automatically. So these are the additional earbuds for the comfortable thing, and they are really comfortable in the ears, and they're very nice bass and very nice sound quality.